it was a difficult journey because I was raised in Calapan, Oriental Mindoro. So when I was in elementary, high school, I remember I had rabies. Magkaka-rabies ako, nakagat ako ng aso.
Okay.
Okay. And then, when my mom took me to the doctor, wala yung doktor. Kasi nag-convention. And during the time, yung bakuna, 14 shots eh. And kung totoong may rabies, positive, then you'll die.
Ilang araw dapat magmamanifest na yung...
14 days.
No, in 14 days lalabas na yung sakit.
Oo, kung hindi ka mababakunahan ng
Okay.
anti-rabies.
Okay.
So, I realized, pagbalik ko, walang doctor in the province during that time. And my uncle in the US, doctor siya, though namatay na siya, you should be a doctor. So, elementary, high school, and then after finishing high school in Oriental Mindoro High School, pumunta ako sa UST. Nakapasa ako doon. Kasi my mom from UST, sabi ng dad ko, mag-law ka, UP graduate ako. Pero my uncle na doctor and my mom, mag-doktor ka kasi walang doctor in the family. So, at a younger age, it was in my heart that time. I wanted to be a doctor, to be able to help.